Welcome mortals to the Countess and Christoff variety channel. So today we are going to be doing an art project because everybody knows.
Project?
Yeah.
But
I'm going to show you one that's really easy and fun.
okay.
Difficulty rating, 1 corpse.
One corpse, she says.
1. I know, sounds too good to be true.
It does.
Especially because Christoff is not as artistic as the Countess is.
Christoff almost failed art in high school, mortals.
We've been watching these videos all over TikTok of the Squeegee painting trend. And I personally think you can do this too.
We will see.
Alright, so first thing I want to talk about is the paint we're going to be using. So this is just regular tube acrylic paint squeezed into a squeeze jar. I got these at Dollar Tree for a 2-pack, and I just squeezed the whole tube in there, and then I added just a tiny little splash of water to give it some fluidity so it mixes up nice, shook them up, and they're ready to go. Next thing we're going to talk about is the paper we're going to be using. So right over here, just give me a little one.
Here you go.
We're going to be using mixed media paper. So mixed media paper is great for both wet and dry preparations. And this will hold up to the type of painting we're going to be doing today. So we've also got our drop cloth taped down. This is very, very messy because when you pull your paint down across, it's actually going to pool up at the bottom. So we're going to start with the small ones. We're going to do small ones first, like practice pieces. And the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to set one up for me and one for Christoff.
So what exactly are we going to be painting, Countess? What is the artistic vision?
Well, there's a couple different things we can try.
Okay.
I thought the first one we should try would be cute little ghosts.
Who doesn't love cute little ghosts?
Right. Our cute little ghosts are going to be rainbow colored because we only have white paper. I don't have black paper. If you had black like construction paper, you could easily make white ghosts. So I'm just going to tape down the top of the papers with some painter's tape to keep it from moving while you drag across. I only have big painter's tape, so I'd have to tear it up. Now it's nice and stable for when you drag, it's not going to slide anywhere. And then another pro tip I've heard is if you take your paper towels and you put a couple down at the bottom, just underneath the paper.
You'll prevent it from running all over.
Yeah,
the
when
place.
you get down to the bottom, you can actually just pick up this paper towel and throw it away. Alright, so you want me to demonstrate for you first?
I think that's a good idea, Countess.
Okay, so you're just going to pick whatever color you want. Shake it up so it's nice and good.
Shake, shake, shake.
I'm going to open the tip. And I'm just going to make like a half moon circle here.
Okay.
Probably put too much paint on just now, but that's okay. And then you're going to continue on until you have as many half circles as you want. And they can be, kind of close. Doesn't really matter. It's all in good fun. Maybe a little yellow one. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
Alright, so I'm going to try the yellow one down here and see what happens. I've never done this either. Alright, so then the idea is you take a squeegee, also got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and you rest it on your paper, and you just go ahead and drag down. And it's supposed to make
Ghosties. Put some eyes on them and you got ghosties.
cute little ghost shapes, just like that.
Huh.
Super easy.
Deceptively easy, I think. Alright, let's give this a shot. See how I can do here. So just a little half moon circle. Oops. Cool. And let's try some green guy.
You might want to make your circles really pronounced because
Okay.
you got to remember when you drag the squeegee, it's not going to come. If you haven't drawn your base shape, it's not going to use that base shape as your stripe down.
Okay.
All right, and then you take your squeegee, set it above the paint. Wait, paper towel.
Oh yes, of course.
Two is enough. Set it under the paper.
Yep.
Perfect.
All right, let's see how Christoff does.
Just drag down nice and slow, even pressure. Oh, you got ghost hugging.
Yeah, I kind of do.
That's so cool.
We have very affectionate ghosts apparently.
You didn't drag down quite far enough off the paper, but that's okay. I was able to get the excess. And then you gotta wipe off your squeegee right away.
Yes, because
Because
otherwise
it's
paint.
full of paint.
Paint, yes.
We dripped a little. That's okay. It's still super cute.
It is. Let's show the viewing audience. So we have hugging ghosts apparently.
Yeah, the blue one and the green one are hugging.
Yes.
And the purple guy in the end, he's kind of got a angular head.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Pretty easy so far.
All right, next we're gonna try cats.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sybil, Angel, come here.
No, we're gonna paint squeegee cat.
Oh, you mean we're not gonna paint the kitties?
No,
Oh, okay.
we're not gonna paint the kitties.
Okay. No painting the kitties. Got it.
All right, so there's a clean squeegee.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna take our masterpieces out of the way and let them dry off to the side.
Countess, would you like larger paper for this one or no?
No, I think we'll still practice with the small one.
Okay.
To get another one out of the pad though.
There's one for you.
Alright, so once again, we're going to tape down our papers at the top so it can't go nowhere.
So how do we do cats?
Alright, to do a cat, I'm going to start with black.
Okay. Makes sense.
Alright, so you're basically going to kind of make a point. So you're going to go up, down, half circle, up, down.
Okay. So you're doing the kitty's ears.
You're basically doing the top of the cat's heads and that's it.
Okay. And now you're going to add another color?
I'm going to add a couple of kitties.
Okay.
I'm going to do more than one. I'm going to try something, I think.
She's making a pride of kitties. Well, that's pride of lions. What's a clouder?
That I don't know.
Huh. Mortals, let us know in the comments. What's a group of kitties? I think it's called a clouder.
I wonder if I put green in the head somewhere, if they'll have little eyes. Let's try it.
Can't hurt.
I always love finding new ways to paint.
She does.
I'm going to try a white one too. Even though my paper is white. Maybe they'll be like,
It'll show up somehow.
yeah. So sometimes after setting, your paint will settle to the bottom of the bottle. Just give it a shake. It'll come down. Maybe I'll have the white cat have yellow eyes.
Mmm. Spooky kitty.
I didn't think that was spooky, did you?
Yellow eyes?
Yeah.
When they glow? In the dark?
Oh, okay. Yep.
Hmm.
All right. And then I'm going to try squeeging down and see what happens. Oh, paper towels.
Yes.
Almost forgot. See, it's easy to forget things. goes under there.
And the slice.
The squeegee.
The squeegee.
Oh my god, they're crying.
No, those are demon cats. Wow. So if you're looking to make demon kitties, this is the way to do it. These are holy cow. These kitties are saying, "I will swallow your soul." Yeah, I think yeah, but you know I like that.
Yeah.
So yeah. So mortals, demonic kitties.
Your turn.
Oh boy. All right, we're gonna go a little fanciful here. We're gonna do a purple kitty. All right, so. Oh boy, yeah, this is gonna be a bad kitty.
Not necessarily. You just got a little extra paint. That's all.
I have a very heavy hand, I freely admit it.
Sometimes the paint comes out really fast. That one might not be quite open enough. Just light little twist.
Okay. And why not? Let's do a
Orange?
orange kitty. Sure, why not?
You like your marmalade?
I do. Okay, so for the eyes, we'll do white.
You don't have to do the eyes.
Demonic kitties. Okay. All right, let's see how this comes out. This will be good for a laugh for everyone.
Just make sure you drag it all the way down off the paper. All the paper off for it. Ooh!
These look more like ghosties.
Yeah, they look like ghost cats.
These.
It's perfect.
Okay, it's not bad. It's their heads look very, yeah. Those don't look like kitties, honey.
Yes, they do.
Morals, let's get your opinion.
Vote now.
Yeah. Kitties or ghosts?
They're supposed to look like that. That's how they were all. Yours turned out better than mine did.
I disagree. Morals, vote now.
Yours turned out more like the TikTokers.
Yeah. So, we've done ghosts, we've done kitties.
Next thing I've seen is abstract stuff. And for that, we're going to need bigger paper.
Okay. Countess, would this be similar to like pour painting, for example, with the abstract?
No, because you're still kind of trying to control the paint and the method you're going in.
Okay. Pour painting is a little bit more...
Yeah.
freestyle.
Pour painting you really don't have control over because it just kind of goes where it wants to go.
Right.
So once again, you're going to tape down your tops. So this is where the black and white comes to play. So this, you're going to kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but you're kind of going to make sections of black and white that look like checkerboard dots, like alternate dots in a row in some sections, and some squiggles and regular dots in others. And then when you swipe down, you get an abstract piece.
Let's give it a shot.
So I'm going to start with the black and white because I'm interested to see how this works. Christoff just going for it.
Why not?
I'm going to be more controlled with mine. Because I kind of want a specific outcome.
I don't have a specific outcome in mind. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, paper towel first. Because, yeah.
You got a lot of paint, so I'm giving you 4.
Good idea. Yeah, we have to be careful. This is still the rental lab.
Yeah. Still the rental lab.
Alright, let's see what happens here.
All the way down. There you go.
So,
Yeah, you can't swipe more than once. It's a one swipe deal.
yeah, see that. Pro tip. So, yeah. So, Countess, do you think this could hang in a gallery somewhere?
Probably not.
Hmm.
But that's okay. We're trying something new. That's all about experimentation. You might have to wash that one off in the sink.
That's what I'm doing right now, Countess. The moral is, you know, the Countess is going to come out like beautiful and very pretty.
You don't know that.
Yes, we do. We absolutely do.
We do not. I don't know, I'm just messing around with stuff.
So, we'll just give the morals a good laugh.
There's still a lot of paint on there, so be careful.
So what do you think, mortals? Gallery worthy or dumpster worthy? You decide. Countess has all these very pretty, precise shapes.
Yeah. I like controlled work.
I like controlled work too. I just don't have the ability that you do.
I don't know. I think squeegee painting is all about trying to see what could be there that isn't there. So you kind of imagine what the shape will look like when you go to drag it down.
Mm-hmm.
And then it kind of becomes, you know, something entirely different. Like, okay, so down here I drew a line, a little half moon, and then a line with underneath or above the black and white checkerboard. Maybe that'll come out to look like a taxi cab. Thanks for joining us here tonight in the lab where we did this fun little art project that's been all over the internet.
Make sure if you like what you saw, make sure you give us a like, a thumbs up on the video, and leave a comment for any other projects you'd like us to try, any other art styles, like for example, Christoff does Impressionism.
That would be a 5-corpse difficulty.
That would definitely be a 5-corpse difficulty. In fact, and Countess?
Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you next time here in the lab. Goodbye.
Good evening, mortals.